Imagine looking at a piece of painting that seems to glow, uh, move, and really mesmerize you. Is it just an illusion? It's what artists have been doing for centuries now. The reason why that illusion is so powerful is due to physics. Physics and art are intersected from light to color motion and stillness and movement. Today, we'll explore the natural world used by scientists and then reimagined by people, blends together to forever alter how we view art. In the early 1600s, Sir Isaac Newton discovered that light can be split into various colors. This discovery changed how we view color and light. Claude Monet used this discovery to change those perceptions within his paintings. In Gala, in Gala, Bridget Riley uses following colorful lines that interact with each other and shift each other, complement each other to give a sense of movement. And in the Houses of Parliament, Bridget Riley uses loose brushstrokes to show a hazy atmosphere of, and the fleeting light of the Houses of Parliament in thick fog. It really captures the scene's ethereal beauty. On the left picture, it shows how Monet uses loose brushstrokes to capture a vibrant scene of it. Next, Bridget Riley, a pioneer in optical art, used used color saturation and contrast to really create pictures that move. Optical art is a type of art that's about using colors, patterns, and line to show movement. Victor Verzeli used bold shapes and highly contrasting ones to show vibration and movement. We already discussed colors and light, but something which is as equally important is balance and movement. We see balance and movement as often as we see light and color. Alexander Calder used balance and movement to show how it can play with form and shadows. In the Arc of Petals, Alexander Calder uses the balance between the forms and the shadows to really give a sense of interplay between them and show his mastery. In the lobster trap and the fishtail, he shows the balance between natural objects and abstract objects. As you can see the dynamism of a dog on a ledge, the blur actually gives a sense of rapid movement. It really feels like the dog is traveling all the way. In elasticity, you can see the flowing, colorful lines. The lines really show how the dynamic sensation expands and contracts with each other. Even Albert Einstein's ideas on theories, especially his theory on the relativity of time, affected art. Picasso was inspired by Albert Einstein. He used cubic synthesis, which is a type of art that breaks down subjects into fragmented pieces, and those fragmented pieces can be viewed from multiple different angles. As you can see in these pictures, there's a lot of angles that you can see this and how fragmented these are. However, after some time, science began to develop, removing the boundaries once said before, allowing art to use VR and holograms and give artists the freedom that they needed. The picture of the left, hollow etching, is a combination of hologram and etching. It's a detailed surface that uses hologram to reflect on a surface that creates colorful and detailed holograms. At the picture on the right, laser transmission holograms, laser transmissions from a glass that is reflected and then brought up on a surface, which creates the illusion that the object is on top of the surface. And then we invented VRs, which actually made us be fully immersed in it. VRs gave artists the ability to actually fully immerse the audience in their art. In Van Gogh's Night Cafe, artists were able to actually immerse the audience so they could actually experience the arts within, and even created an entire museum that you could see with VR. Art and science together are not just isolated ideas. They work together to change views and create new ideas. From what we discussed today, art and physics go hand in hand and really develop art itself. From Monet's brushstrokes to Calder's sculptures and then to digital artifacts, art and physics are fully intersected. So the next time that you see a painting, know that it's not just art, it's also physics that's affecting it. Thank you for watching.